As Typhoon Bising and the Habagat brought heavy rains to parts of Luzon and Mindanao, hundreds of families were forced to take shelter in evacuation centers. While most have now returned home, the Department of Social Welfare and Development assures continued support through food packs, aid and monitoring as Blue Alert remains in effect in northern Luzon and Calabarzon. Floyd Brenz tells us more.
Several families in central Luzon and Zamboanga have been affected by the recent weather disturbance and the southwest monsoon. As a result, they had to temporarily stay in evacuation centers of the Department of Social Welfare and Development, or DSWD. However, according to the agency, most evacuees have now returned to their homes. Based on DSWD data, only 104 families remain in evacuation centers across the National Capital Region, Region 3, and the Cordillera Administrative Region.
Ngayon po, na-report na po ng LGU, 104 na lang po. So meaning, may mga bumalik na sa kanilang mga bahay.
The DSWD also said that families who have returned home will not go hungry as they have received pabaon assistance, family food packs intended for returning evacuees. Despite this development, northern Luzon and Calabarzon remain under blue alert due to the continued intense weather conditions.
Yung norte, naka-blue alert pa rin sila. So we declared na blue alert pa rin po tayo. Ibig sabihin, naka-alerto pa rin ang ating mga quick response teams, ang ating mga field offices. Sa anytime, madagdagan ng ating mga affected families and mga IDPs, ready po ang ating mga evacuation centers.
The DSWD also stated that while no evacuees have so far required psychosocial assistance, the agency is prepared to provide if it's needed. For now, the DSWD is prioritizing the provision of food and essential supplies to affected individuals.
Like si nanay na may sakit, kailangan nating i-refer kay DOH. Tapos yung ating mga social workers na nangangailangan sa mga pamilyang nangangailangan ng pakikinig or counseling, pupunta ang ating social workers to conduct psychosocial first aid.
To date, the DSWD has distributed over 8.5 million worth of assistance to those affected by Typhoon Bising and Southwest Monsoon in NCR, Regions 1, 2, 3, Calabarzon, and Cordillera. Floyd Brenz from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.